Welcome. In this course, you will learn how to use AI image generation in a practical, professional way. Not just to create impressive pictures, but to make your workplace communication clearer, faster, and more useful. We'll look at where AI-generated images make sense, such as presentations, training materials, etc. And you will learn how to write better prompts, use my tackles framework, improve weak outputs, work with reference images, and choose tools like Microsoft Copilot, ChatGPT, and other image generators. But we'll also be realistic. It is powerful, but it's not always the right tool. My name is Stef van Loveren. I'm an experienced software engineer from Belgium, with a passion for generative AI. And through my Udemy courses, I've already taught more than 3,000 students worldwide. Let's get started.